Totoo ba itong magic numbers ng ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package? For example, 65, 75, and 85. Sino ba ang mag-qualify nito? Answer, based po sa personal knowledge natin, ma'am and sir, may narinig po tayo sa ating mga kaibigan. Totoo po ito, sir and ma'am. Opo, merong magic number 65, 75, and 85 para mag-qualify sa ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package. For example, 85. So yung 85 na yan ay combination po yan ng age at service po ninyo sa company. For example, 50 years old tayo and 35 years in service. So 50 plus 35, 85. So kung pasok ka dyan sa magic number na 85, qualified po kayo mag-avail ng Early Retirement Incentive Package. Another example, 75. So 50 years old again and 25 years in service. So 50 plus 25, 75. Pasok po tayo sa Early Retirement Incentive Package. Another example, 65. 50 years old plus 15 years in service. So 50 plus 15, 65. Ayan po. So sino ba ang mga company na nag-offer ng Early Retirement Incentive Package? Ang narinig po natin, friends, ay Land Bank. Opo, meron sila na ganito na ERIP. Sa kanila, if I'm not mistaken, ang magic number po nila is 85. Alright, so paano kung hindi mag-qualify sa ERIP na magic number? Answer, hindi po pwede mag-avail ng ERIP. Only those na mag-qualify or pasok sa magic number na yan. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir. Keep watching my YouTube channel, friends. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.